So here it is. Mostly the hurricane's gone. This is a really cool color out here. It's almost like an amber. You can pick it up or not. And up there is even another rainbow. You really see it.